issues a flash flood warning for central New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina until 3:15 p.m. At 12:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Reports received of several roads impassable due to flooding around Wilmington. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall. The following messages for the following county, New Hanover, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for central New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina until 3:15 p.m. At 12:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Reports received of several roads impassable due to flooding around Wilmington. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar indicated and public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Wrightsville Beach, North Mason Borough Island, South Mason Borough Island, University of North Carolina at Wilmington, Kings Grant, Windermere, CD, Wilmington International Airport, Mason Borough, New Fair, Wrightsville, Louisville, Silver Lake, Ogden, Cape Fear Community College, North Campus, Middle Grove, and Bayshore. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause dangerous flooding, especially near creeks and streams, drainage ditches, and low-lying flood-prone areas. Turn around. Don't drown if you encounter a flooded road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep South Central Pender County in southeastern North Carolina until 1:15 p.m. At 11:24 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain until 3:15 p.m. At 22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Reports received of several roads impassable due to flooding around. Experienced flooding include Wilmington, Wrightsville Beach, Johnny Mercer Pier,
But in an era of missing disinformation,
South Mason Borough Island, Cape Fear Community College, North Campus, Wilmington International Airport, Wrightsboro. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar indicated and public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage.
I'm not going to keep this video too long.